Most people don't think about their kidneys until something goes wrong. But the truth is, kidney damage doesn't start with pain. It starts in silence. Right now, your kidneys could be struggling without you even knowing. Tiredness, swelling, high blood pressure, or even just dark-colored urine, these are signs that something serious could be happening inside your body. And if you ignore these signals, it could lead to kidney stones, chronic disease, or even complete kidney failure. Your kidneys are working 24/7 to filter your blood, remove waste, balance fluids, and control pressure. And they don't get a break. So ask yourself, are you doing enough to take care of them? In this video, you're going to learn 7 natural, easy, and powerful ways to clean, protect, and support your kidneys before it's too late. Make sure to watch until the end because the last method is one most people completely miss, and it can make all the difference. Number 1, stay hydrated the right way. Water is your kidney's best friend. It helps flush out toxins and waste from the blood, turning them into urine. But not drinking enough can put pressure on your kidneys and slow everything down. One of the easiest ways to check if you're dehydrated is to look at your urine. It should be clear or light yellow. If it's dark yellow or strong smelling, that's a warning sign. On average, a healthy person should produce about 6 cups of urine a day. If you're not hitting that mark, you likely need to drink more fluids. And it's not just about quantity. Hydration helps prevent kidney stones, headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. So instead of counting glasses, pay attention to your body. Dry mouth, low energy, or less urination mean it's time to drink up. Adjust your water intake depending on your climate, physical activity, or diet. Number 2, lower your sodium intake. Salt is hidden in more foods than you think, especially processed ones. Eating too much sodium forces your kidneys to work harder to remove the extra salt, which increases the risk of kidney stones and raises blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the top causes of kidney damage because it damages the small blood vessels that carry blood to and from your kidneys. On average, many people consume over 3,400 milligrams of sodium every day, which is well above the safe limit. The more salt you eat, the more calcium your kidneys release through urine. This leads to stone formation. To reduce sodium, avoid canned soups, frozen meals, processed snacks, and salty restaurant food. Instead, choose fresh, whole foods with fewer added ingredients. Number 3, eat foods that help your kidneys. Your kidneys love fresh, natural foods, especially those rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Fruits like apples help reduce inflammation and protect kidney function. They're also high in fiber and vitamin C. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale, and vegetables like sweet potatoes offer potassium, magnesium, and other nutrients that support kidney health and improve detoxification. Another excellent food group is fish, especially fatty fish like salmon and sardines. These are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which studies show can reduce the risk or slow down the progress of kidney disease. A kidney-friendly diet doesn't have to be boring. It just needs to focus on natural, nutrient-rich options that give your kidneys the support they need. Number 4, use herbal teas wisely. For centuries, herbal teas have been used to support different organs, including the kidneys. Certain teas can help reduce inflammation, remove toxins, and even lower the risk of kidney stones. Examples include nettle leaf tea, turmeric tea, and dandelion tea. These teas are loaded with antioxidants that help the kidneys function better and reduce damage from stress and toxins. When choosing herbal teas, make sure you're getting pure, natural versions with no additives or artificial ingredients. Drink them in moderation and always pay attention to how your body reacts. Number 5, take the right vitamins and supplements. Just like your heart or lungs, your kidneys need nutrients to stay strong. Some specific vitamins and natural supplements have shown potential in helping kidney health. Vitamin B6, for example, can reduce the formation of kidney stones by lowering calcium oxalate levels. Another useful supplement is andrographis, a plant that may protect kidneys from damage caused by alcohol. There's also alpha-lipoic acid, resveratrol, N-acetylcysteine, NAC, moringa, probiotics, and vitamin D, each offering unique support for detox, inflammation, or kidney cell protection. Before trying any new supplement, always speak with your healthcare provider, especially if you already have a medical condition or take medications. Number 6, avoid artificial sweeteners. Many people switch from sugar to artificial sweeteners thinking it's a healthier choice. But studies show that these sweeteners can confuse your body, increase cravings, and lead to overeating. Over time, this can cause weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and even kidney disease. Common sweeteners to watch out for include sucralose, Splenda, saccharin, sweet and low, and aspartame, equal. These are found in sugar-free drinks, diet snacks, and even some packaged health foods. If you want something sweet, go for natural options like honey, agave, or pure maple syrup, but always use in moderation. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 7, try a 2-day kidney cleanse. This simple but powerful method involves taking 2 days to focus only on kidney-friendly foods, drinks, and herbs. During these 2 days, you avoid processed food and harmful additives, and instead give your body only what it needs to flush out waste. This includes hydrating fluids, fresh fruits and vegetables, kidney-safe smoothies, and herbal teas. This kind of short-term cleanse helps reset your system and supports better kidney function. While some health organizations say more research is needed, many people report real benefits from this reset. Just remember, if you have a health condition or take medication, talk to your doctor first before doing any kind of strict cleanse. Most people never think about their kidneys until they're already damaged. But you don't have to wait for a warning sign. By making these 7 simple changes, you can help your kidneys work better, stay cleaner, and support your overall health for years to come. If you found this information helpful, take a second to hit the subscribe button. We share more useful tips to help you stay healthy and informed. Thanks for watching until the end. Your kidneys are silently working for you. Now it's your turn to return the favor.